Okay, so ChatGPT just released a new tool called Shopping Research, and I think from the name alone, you can tell that this is a tool that you can use to conduct a research before purchasing the product. And this is actually a lot cooler than you might have thought because it is more interactive than the typical AI answer. You can use it to discover new products. You might also use it to finding similar or look-alike product, and of course, you can use it to compare two different products, choosing gifts, and find some sweet deals on the internet. So if you want to do any research, you want to purchase something, then let me show you how you can use ChatGPT research to find the best products. So let's open ChatGPT, and by the way, this feature is free, but you need to log into your ChatGPT account. Now, after that, you can ask ChatGPT about a product or a product category that you want to buy or you are considering to purchase. So in this case, I have this message that I want to send to ChatGPT. I want to buy a gaming mouse right now, and I reside in Singapore, and it's something that I can buy right away in the local store. Now, as long as you are specific that you want to buy something, the shopping research tool will be used automatically. But just to be safe, I do recommend to open the menu and then enable shopping research. So after that, you can click submit and just wait for ChatGPT to give you the answer. Now, there is one unique feature that is really useful. It is very interactive because after this, ChatGPT will ask some questions that could be used to help AI understand the kind of product that you actually really need. So there's going to be a question, or actually a series of questions, and you have to answer them to help ChatGPT refine the research process. Now, I'm going to click get started, and it will ask me my some questions. So what is the budget range? I guess up to let's say up to 200 Singaporean dollars. Let's continue. The grip style, it's going to be, well, let's say palm grip. Continue. The weight, okay, and it's something that is very light. Connection type, of course, it's gonna be wireless. Continue. Okay, so they're going to give you a sort of a list of products that you might be interested. Now in this case, I'll just click preview and rate, and I'll just, okay, I'm not really interested. Why you don't like this product? I don't like the shape. It is actually used for left and right hand, and it's something that is mostly used for right hand. So I don't like perhaps the style. And okay, this is not interested. The style as well. Not interested. The style. This is okay. Not interested. Not interested. This is kind of okay. Not interested. Maybe the style again. This is good. That's okay. Now after that, it's going to finalize the research process. This will take several minutes because it needs to consider all those things that are just provided as the input. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, so it spent 18 minutes giving me these recommendations, but there is no text answer. So normally you'll see something that look like this. There's going to be a sort of article that ChatGPT just generated based on your query. Now, for some reason, it just doesn't show that. So maybe this picture needs to be polished, but at least on this other version, it is able to give me this answer. And as you can see, it is actually giving me some recommendations based on the websites or markets that are available in the country. So that is the benefit of using this method. You can be very specific and detailed when it comes to the product that you actually want or need. So yeah, even though it is slower, at least according to ChatGPT, it is actually more accurate. So there is a benchmark here. It says that the shopping research tool is more accurate, almost double the score of the regular ChatGPT search. So I guess if you want to do a research about a product, especially for some expensive purchase, then maybe using this tool is really good. It can give you some ideas about the product that you want to buy, and also it might be able to give you some recommendations or alternatives that you can try based on what you need. So that's essentially how you can use the shopping research tool in ChatGPT. It is not perfect, but at least it is something that we can use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.